Perfect tenses of verb. A perfect tense is a grammatical category of verbs used to express distinction of time. There are three basic perfect tenses: the past perfect tense, present perfect tense, and the future perfect tense. Past perfect tense indicates an action or condition begun in the past and completed also at some point in the past. It is formed by using the auxiliary verb had with the past participle. Example: the signal light had turned red when the car hit the electric post. Present perfect tense indicates an action or condition begun in the past and just completed or is still going on. It is formed by using the auxiliary verb have and has with the past participle form. For example, the rain has stopped. Future perfect tense indicates an action or condition begun in the past which will be completed at some future time. It is formed by using the future of the auxiliary verb have, shall have, or will have with the past participle form. For example, my book will have sold 50 copies next month.